everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a new crochet pattern step by step. This is a very easy pattern, perfect for the beginners. We are only using the half double crochet stitch for the whole project. If you don't know how to do half double crochet, please check the full tutorial in my description box. Let's get it started then. So I'm using 4mm hook, and also I'm using 100 rainbow yarn 5 standard, which is I brought from Shein. I will leave the yarn link in the description box. You can have a look. Here I'm going to make a foundation chain. We need a slip knot first. Wrap your yarn just like this. Bring the yarn up through the hole. This is your slip knot. Start by making chains. You can make any number of chain, depends on your projects. Yarn over, pull through the yarn through hole. Yarn over, pull through it. Yarn over, pull through. This is how we make the normal chain. This is what we call foundation chain. You can make as much as you want. If you want it bigger or longer, just add more chains. So keep doing the same pattern as you want. So I'll see you once I finish. This is how it looks like once you finish your foundation chain. So we are going to make the first row. Skip first chain from the hook into the second one. Yarn over first. Insert your hook and pull the yarn over. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. This is half double crochet. So keep doing the same pattern until you reach the end. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up the yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops on your hook. So I'll show you once I'm done. This is my last chain of the foundation chain. This is the very last one. It's a little bit tricky, so don't miss this one. Make sure you make all the chains. This is how it looks like once you've done your foundation chain. So chain 1, chain 1 here and turn your work. So from now on, we are going to work on the back loop on. I think you can see the 2 loops here. We are going to use this one, only the back loop. So yarn over, insert your hook through the back loop, pull up and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. We are called this pattern back loop half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, pull up the yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops together. So keep the same pattern all again and again until you reach the end. So here I am end of my last row. I'm going to do the same pattern here using back loop only. Yarn over, insert your hook and pull the yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops on your hook. This is a little bit tricky part. You can, into the very last stitch, you can make either half double crochet or you can make the back loop only. That doesn't matter, it depends on you. So every row end you want to make a 1 chain and turn your work. This is how it looks like and it's amazing. Chain 1, turn your work. And for the beginning as well, you can make either half double crochet or you can make the back loop only. Here I am always making half double crochet into the each end and start. So here I'm going to do the again back loop only. So and at the end of each row, chain 1 and turn. Repeat the same process, half double crochet into the back loop only. Keep repeating this pattern until your project reaches the size you want. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment. I'm always happy to help. And if you make this project, please share it with me on my Facebook. I love to see your work. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. See you in next video. Bye.